What's up guys, it's Jalen aka J Marie if you're new here, and today I'm going to be sharing how I created these Chunky Boho Passion Twists. I'm starting off with straightened hair that I actually straightened about a week ago, and I'm going to go for more of triangle parts or more so diamond parts in some areas. I'm using first touchdown edge control to smooth my hair, then I'm going to go through and add rubber bands to each section. I want my twist to have a little bit more texture, so I'm going to use some of this X-pressions Springy Afro twist, and I'm going to mix that with the LuluTress Water Wave. I'm fluffing out 2 pieces of the Water Wave hair, then I'm going to separate a piece of the Springy Afro twist hair and add that to that. Placing my crochet hook under the rubber band, then pull the hair through. Gently tighten down the rubber band. Then I'm going to go back in with some of that first down edge control and place it on my natural hair. I'm also taking some of this LuluTress Gellie Glaze and Hold, and I'm going to twist down. I forgot to show you guys the jar, but I also used the LuluTress styling jelly on the synthetic hair as I twist it down. And I'm just going to continue this process throughout my entire head. And as I'm twisting down, I'm also pulling out some of the LuluTress Water Wave hair. then adding gel to curl the pieces. Both of these packs comes with 3 bundles, and I only use 2 bundles out of each. And a tip to get your passion twist to last is to use gel. Do not be afraid to use gel on the hair. Guys, I just love passion twists. They are so easy and simple to do, and it only took me about 2 hours to complete this style. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you also subscribe if you're not subscribed, and also hit that post notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I do upload a video as well. And also comment down below and let me know how you're feeling this style, and like if you like this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.